Want to reach more customers and grow your business online? Let me show you how to run ads using Metabusiness Suite, step by step. First, log into your Facebook account and go to Metabusiness Suite. You'll land on the dashboard where all your pages and accounts live. On the left sidebar, click on Ads and hit the Create Ad button. This takes you straight to the ad creation tool. Now, choose your advertising goal. Do you want to drive traffic, boost engagement, or make sales? Pick what aligns with your business. Next, define your audience. You can target people by location, age, interests, and even behaviors. The more precise, the better. Time to create your ad. Upload high-quality images or videos, write a catchy headline, and add a clear call to action. Finally, set your daily or lifetime budget, choose your ad duration, and hit Publish. Facebook will review your ad, and once approved, it'll start reaching your audience. And that's it. You've just launched your first ad using Metabusiness Suite. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more marketing tips. Let me know in the comments if you want me to cover any other topic.